It's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind.
In a galaxy far, far away, a small UAV lands on a remote planet. It takes a sample of the atmosphere, the soil, and starts snapping pictures to send data back to Earth. Its mission to find new resources on planets that may one day house the human race. As space exploration continues to advance, space drones are becoming more prominent in space exploration. Artificial intelligence will play a huge role in space exploration and will eventually pioneer manned missions and even human relocation to other planets. Although we are not at a point where we have the technology to send humans beyond the moon, space drones can help us navigate space and prepare us for a time when Star Trek tech becomes a reality. First things first, what exactly are space drones? Space drones, or orbital drones, are unmanned spacecraft designed to operate in space. You can think of them as AI astronauts. Just like the terrestrial counterparts, they are equipped with various sensors, instruments, and even propulsion systems to navigate through the vastness of space. These drones can be remotely controlled from Earth or operate autonomously with the help of advanced AI systems. Space drones have been used for a variety of tasks, including delivering supplies to the International Space Station, ISS, refueling satellites, and performing scientific experiments. Space drones are still in their early stages of development, but they have the potential to revolutionize the way we operate in space. They offer a number of advantages over traditional satellites, including lower cost, greater flexibility, and the ability to operate in dangerous or difficult-to-reach areas. One of the most significant applications is their role in space exploration. The James Webb Telescope also utilizes AI, reaching galaxies that have never been seen before. An AI model called Morpheus is tasked with analyzing the images the telescope sends back. Scientists are hoping to discover the origins of the galaxy. These drones act as pioneers, venturing into uncharted territories to gather invaluable data. They are deployed to study celestial bodies such as asteroids, moons, and planets, enabling scientists to gain unprecedented insights into their composition, geology, and potential for supporting life. Space drones also play a pivotal role in future resource utilization. By employing advanced robotic arms and AI-guided navigation, these drones can extract valuable resources from asteroids or other celestial bodies. This could potentially open up a new era of space mining, providing essential raw materials for future space missions and reducing our dependence on Earth's limited resources. When it comes to planetary exploration, space drones have already left their mark. Take, for example, the red planet, Mars. The Mars rover Perseverance houses a helicopter drone known as Ingenuity. The Ingenuity helicopter, a remarkable space drone developed by NASA, captured the world's attention with its historic flight on another planet. Ingenuity showcased the feasibility of aerial exploration on celestial bodies, opening doors for future missions to include aerial components that can cover vast distances and explore inaccessible regions. The Mars rover itself is another type of drone that has been exploring the Mars terrain and sending data back to Earth about the surface environment of Mars. Artificial intelligence plays a crucial role in advancing space drone capabilities. AI acts as the brain behind these drones, enabling them to process vast amounts of data, make decisions in real time, and adapt to unexpected situations. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, space drones can become more efficient, autonomous, and capable of carrying out complex tasks. AI algorithms are particularly useful in analyzing the massive amounts of scientific data collected by space drones. They can help identify patterns, anomalies, and hidden relationships within the data, leading to groundbreaking discoveries. Additionally, AI allows drones to navigate autonomously, avoiding obstacles, adapting to changing environments, and optimizing their routes for efficient exploration. The autonomous nature of drones is invaluable in space exploration. We still have a long way to go before we can send manned missions into far-off galaxies. So, what does the future hold for space drones and AI? Well, the possibilities are truly awe-inspiring. As technology continues to advance, we can expect to see space drones equipped with more sophisticated sensors, stronger propulsion systems, and even cooperative swarms working together on complex missions. Imagine a fleet of space drones exploring the icy moons of Jupiter, or mapping the mysterious oceans beneath the icy crust of Europa. or even diving into the geysers of Saturn's Enceladus. With AI algorithms constantly improving, these AI astronauts will become smarter, more adaptable, and capable of making autonomous decisions, greatly enhancing their scientific potential. We've journeyed through the realm of space drones, discovering how they are being used, their potential for exploration, and how AI is propelling their capabilities. As we continue to push the boundaries of knowledge, these incredible machines will undoubtedly play a vital role in unraveling the mysteries of the universe. So, keep your eyes on the stars and your imagination soaring. Safe travels!